Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact a Geek Squad. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is head on over to our website called pissconsumer.com. That's it here, so go ahead and click into it. Now once you're on pissconsumer.com, you want to go ahead and click on the search bar, which is located top of the page, and now type in Geek Squad. And it should appear. Here it is here, Geek Squad of 679 reviews, time of recording. Now to get their contact information, you need to scroll down a little bit, and then they got these tabs: review, about, contacts, Q&A. So go ahead and click on contacts and then let that page load. Once the page loads, here we go here. So we got a toll-free number. You can give a call there, or you can simply click on the call customer service. They've also got other customer service numbers here. And you've got product recall, safety alerts, return and exchange. And they've got different Geek Squad emails that you can email as well, or you can shoot them a message clicking send message.